Hello there. Hello. You probably thought you would have by now just gotten rid of me. You would have seen like one video with me, and you would have thought, I'm never gonna fucking watch this guy's videos again because he's a fucking idiot, and I don't wanna listen to his shit, and he's giving me fucking ear cancer when he does that fucking distortion shit on his videos. Well, but guess what? Today I have another subject to talk about, and I don't fucking care about your opinions on what I do with my videos audio, okay? Just let me do my own thing, it's for the best. Trust me. I've taken like an education in this shit. I'm an educated person. I know what I do. Okay? But today I have another story for you, because I bet you haven't ever heard about the time when I was in the Amish. That's right, my friends. I was once wandering around religious people. I was a part of the Amish people. Sorry if I'm sort of confused right now, but people are like fucking shouting in the server and it's driving me insane. Let me just fix this shit. That was better. Now we can really focus on the subject. When I was in the Amish, I remembered as like it was yesterday. I was at my local church, just chilling around, like doing some prayers Sunday morning, when this priest walked up to me, and he has no pants on, and he has dirty clothes all over his body. And he says to me, my friend, do you want to join the Amish for a greater good? Do you want to serve your God by wandering around with no electricity and living off the land like the fucking Jesus did? And I said, of course I want to, man. That sounds fucking rad. So I took my skateboard and I put it in his garage. That made no sense. Okay, I've just talked to my mentor, and he said it doesn't make no sense to fucking put a skateboard in someone's garage. But yeah, that's what I did. Me. But yeah, well, yeah, but I was in his garage, and I just put my fucking skateboard down there. And he had like tripped over it multiple times, but for some reason he didn't move the fucking skateboard, because he meant it was there for a greater purpose. He meant it was sent there by God to fucking punish him for not looking at the ground when he was walking in his fucking garage. Okay? That's why. So, see, there's a greater purpose in this. And the thing I want to say is, I did it. I was the one who put the skateboard there. I was chosen by God to put the skateboard right fucking there. So he tripped over it. And when he tripped over it, his wife came out to him and began talking to him and asked if he was okay. And then he said, nothing's okay. I hate my life. I wanna fucking die right now. And then they began talking together. They began talking together as adult people. They began respecting each other. And they began sharing stories while they were asleep. Yes, this is a true story. And the best thing is, 2 weeks later, the man fucking hanged himself. And it was all because of my skateboard. I understand. You are very proud of me. And you are probably just wanking to the sound of my voice right now. But yeah. I have just realized that this isn't really about the Amish people, right? Guys, if there's one thing I learned in my Bible lessons when I was reading the Bible when I was a little kid, it is that God's ways are not predictable, and sometimes things happen, and those things, they happen in mysterious ways. And even though this story might not have a lot to do with the Amish people, it means that it actually has nothing to do with the Amish people. Fuck my life, fuck this fucking shit, I'm fucking idiot.